The Warp Speed tactical printer uses patented cold spray technology that enables significantly faster and more cost-effective metal part production than any other process. It can print large metal parts up to 40 kilograms at a rate of 100 grams a minute. In 2021, Speed 3D worked closely with the Australian Army in the training of the Army's first additive manufacturing cell team. This team specialised in the production of metal 3D printed parts, from design to printing, machining, heat treatment and certification. In the remote bushland of Bradshaw Training Area, located in the Northern Territory, the additive manufacturing cell team has been putting the Warp Speed tactical printer through its toughest trial yet. The printer was transported over 600 kilometres and has been operating in extreme conditions. Over the 3-week trial, the team produced more than a dozen different case studies for the M113 Armoured vehicle. The M113 is an armoured personnel carrier that's been used by the Australian Army for over 40 years. One of the parts produced during the trial was this M113 exhaust outlet. This exhaust outlet is often damaged by trees when the vehicle is driven through the bush. The part was able to be printed, heat treated, machined, tested and validated all in the field. The team was also able to redesign the part, increasing its strength to reduce the likelihood of future damage. This part took just over an hour to print. This trial proved once again that metal 3D printing can be used to produce high quality, validated parts in the field. The trial also demonstrated how it can help to sustain the working condition of armoured vehicles and how additive manufacturing can play an important part in the future of defence readiness.